Dear students, in this video, I am going to explain you the complete procedure step by step how to appear in midterm examination of Gurukul Kurukshetra. First of all, click on Chrome browser and open it. Now type here Gurukul Kurukshetra. Now click on search button. After that, click on www.gurukulkurukshetra.com. Now the official website of Gurukul Kurukshetra will open. Here we have a button with the name of midterm exam. Click on this button. Now next page will open. Here all mandatory instructions are written in English as well as in Hindi language, like email address is mandatory for each student, time for commencement of online exam, total time of your online exam, total number of questions in question paper, and marks for each correct answer, etc. Read all these instructions carefully and click on I agreed button. After that, a new page will open. Here some buttons will be displayed according to your midterm exams. You can click on any respective button according to the class. Dear students, sometimes even after clicking on any respective button of class, if midterm exam does not open, in this situation you can follow any one method which I am going to explain you. In first method, click on Chrome browser and open it. Here in the right top corner you have three dots. Just click here and open the option New Incognito tab. This is your private window. Here type Gurukul Kurukshetra and follow the same steps which already I have explained you above. Second method, click on Chrome browser and open it. Here in the right top corner you have three dots. Just click here and opt history option. After that, click on clear browsing data option. Under this option you have three sub options. First one, browsing history. Second one, cookies and site data. Third one, cached image and files. By default, all sub options are checked. If all these sub options are unchecked, in this case checked all manually and click on clear data button. After that, again click on Chrome browser and open it. Now here type gurukulkurukshetra.com and click on search button. After that, follow the same steps which already I have explained you above. In case of no problem, click on any respective button of class. Here I click on demo exam button. Now midterm exam of Gurukul Kurukshetra will open. Here you have two sections. First section will hold complete information of a student, and second section will hold 50 multiple choice questions. Under first section, one by one, you will enter your valid information like email address, class, opt 1 section, enter your roll number, enter your admission number, enter your name, enter your father's name, enter your mother's name, and enter your WhatsApp mobile number. Before moving on second section, please ensure all the information is correct which you entered in first section, and then click on next button. In second section, you have 50 multiple choice questions with 4 options. To solve a question, read it carefully and opt one correct answer. Likewise, you can solve all questions. Dear students, this time some question papers like mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science are containing multiple images of questions, and these multiple images take too much time to display in question paper. That's why we broke down second section into multiple subsections. Like in first subsection, first 15 question will be displayed, and when you will click on next button, then next 15 question will be displayed. We did all this only for your easiness. To see next 15 questions, click on next button. In the similar way, to see next 15 question, again click on next button. And after attempting all questions, it is mandatory to click on submit button within the stipulated time period. Now I click on submit button. After successful submission of exam, you will get a message on screen like congratulations, you have successfully submitted your midterm examination. Dear students, if you don't submit the exam within the stipulated time period, you will be considered as absentee. Good luck to all of you. Thanks for watching this video.